What is going on, guys? Today I'm going to be talking about one of the easiest and best ways right now, in my opinion, in order to make money with very little money. And I'm talking being able to 5x your investment, right? This is something what I'm doing. I've been doing it. I started 2021. I'm still doing it right now, and I will probably continue this for the rest of the year, and depending on how the market looks going into 2023. Basically what it is right now is honestly just deposits. Now what I mean by that is right now the car market and the watch market is absolutely freaking insanity, right? So what I started learning is, okay, right now, if you have a little bit of cash on hand, right? Best example I can give, I would say about 4 or 5 months ago, I went into the Corvette dealership and I wanted to pre-order the C8 Corvette. So I ended up doing that, and different Corvette dealerships, they can show you how many orders they have ahead of you, and you know how many inventory they get and how long it would take for you to get your car right. They're pretty accurate about it. So I'm expected to get mine in July/August. So what happened is a friend of mine, he bought one for $84,000 and he resold it for $114,000. Now this was about 3 months ago. Now, do I think I'm going to be able to get $30,000 for it? No, I'm not. Now, am I paying $84,000? No, I'm not doing that either, actually. So here's the thing. It's kind of like wholesaling a home. So all I had to do was put down $3,000. Now, it was non-refundable, right? And here's the thing. For me personally, if I end up getting stuck with the car, not a factor at all. I will gladly turn that into a rental car. So the cost of it is kind of taken care of. But basically, what the dealership even told me is they offered one person $15,000 more than what the car was worth, or what he basically bought it for, right then and there. So all he did was put the $3,000 down. The car was delivered, and they're like, hey, we'll basically give you $18,000 right now. And he's like, yeah, I'll take it. So off of $3,000, he made it $18,000, so $15,000 pure profit off of a $3,000 investment. Now I think that's amazing, super great, and that's just one of the things right now. Same thing with watches. Every single place I go to, I'm putting my name down. I'm like, when this watch comes out, I want it. Give me this watch, right? Every time I'm calling all my connections, and they're like, yeah, we have this one. I'm like, how much? They're like, well, we bought it for this. And I'm like, and they're like, boom, okay, great, right? Another example, I just bought a new 911 Porsche, right? I bought it at cost. Again, that was due to connections. Luckily, on my part, I have that. But again, even if you don't, just being able to get that is absolutely insane. Another example, the new 911 Targa 4S. Pre-order time right now is 3 to 4 years. Here's the thing. I saw a 2015 at the Porsche dealership here with 37,000 miles on it, selling for $135,000, while the brand new one is $137,000. Same exact spec. Like, what the, the market absolutely saturated right now. I don't think this is going to continue for too much longer. I'm giving it 1 to 2 years before it starts going down. Here's the thing. I'm going to be taking full advantage of it while it continues to go up. That is my game plan, and that's why you can basically put $8,000 to $5,000 down depending on the car, right? And then you can sell it back to the dealership, or you can take it, go to CarMax, sell it there, right? Again, I know someone, he had the Tesla Plaid, he bought it at the price it came out at, he resold it to CarMax for around $15,000 or $20,000 more than what he paid. Absolutely ridiculous, absolutely insane. But yeah, that's one of the easiest ways. All you have to do is have a couple of thousands of dollars and just a little bit of patience, because worst thing is the risk to reward ratio is, it's incredible, right? Risk, reward. Because worst case, I'm like, okay, you know what? I'm down $3,000. Worst case scenario on the C8, right? That would be one of the worst. Or like same with the watches, right? I'm down a signature. They don't even require an upfront payment. Like, I'm sorry, but okay. Like, I can legit charge that entire thing onto one of my credit cards, and then next day or same day sell it to a different like watch store and make a profit on it. It's freaking ridiculous. Super exciting time right now, especially if you know how the market works. So go take a look into the watch and car market. Absolutely saturated as all hell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram at Niklausaadler. and I will be more than happy to respond to you guys. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Peace out, guys.